Hi everyone! Today we're gonna make a wonderful whipped chocolate cheesecake. It sounds crazy and actually very complicated, but it's not. It's gonna be plant-based, refined sugar-free, gluten-free, everything you like, right? What do I have here? We're gonna start from hazelnut crumble. I already mixed here whole grain rice flour, coconut sugar, hazelnut flour, which is basically just grinded hazelnuts, gluten-free baking powder, and a little bit of salt. Here I have hot water and coconut oil. Why hot water? Is just to dissolve this coconut oil. It would be easier for you to work with. And now we're gonna just mix them all together and we send it to bake it. Almost forgot. Here I have hot water. You take 2 hands and just put it in. Now this hot water for our chocolate. I have 70% dark chocolate here with unrefined sugar. I put it over the hot water, the bowl, this way, and I leave it on the side while we're preparing hazelnut crumble, right? I add this to this mix. So make sure you mix everything really well, and it has to look like a wet sand. And we get this kind of dough. So now we're gonna roll it and send it into the oven. I actually preheated the oven to 160 degrees. Just cover it like that. While it's baking, let's check our chocolate. Almost there. So we need to take a plant-based yogurt. I have coconut yogurt. It has 7 to 8 grams fat content, and I'm gonna start whipping the yogurt. We're just mixing it, making sure that it has a homogeneous consistency. And the yogurt's supposed to be like really from the fridge. Don't take it in advance. It has to be cold, because we're gonna play with the temperature differences here. Chocolate is warm, yogurt is cold. Also, don't overheat chocolate, right? We don't want to burn it. Almost there. Well, as soon as it melted, we're gonna start to whip our yogurt. And please remind me to not forget about crumble. And crumble is supposed to stay in the oven for approximately 10 minutes until it's getting gold on top. Not silver, right? Gold. It's already good now. We should eat it like that. Oh, I think it's done. Yes, it's perfect. And taking yogurt out of the fridge. Here we go. That's enough. Now we're gonna add a little bit of chocolate and whip it again. Now the rest of the chocolate. You have to work pretty fast. Ooh, look at that. We're gonna add some salt and whip it a little bit longer because I want it to be a little bit more fluffier. Let's see. So pretty. Chocolate got solidified already and we have this kind of consistency. So now we're gonna check the crumble because I forgot. So the crumble looks like that. Now we have to wait until it cools down completely and break it into a crumble. And we're gonna put a little bit of cheesecake here. So hot. It's still a little bit warm, but it's already breaks easily. So we just put crumble on top and a few berries, and it's ready. The best would be to send it to the fridge. We just wanted to get a little bit more cooler temperature because the desserts are always nicer at cool temperature. But I'm gonna try it straight away. Are you ready? So good. If you love chocolate, it's fantastic. Enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe and see more recipes and workouts, which you're gonna need after that, from us. See you guys. You too.